Welcome to the first ever FitMenCook blend off. Boom! We got some brand new vitamin splinters here in the office, and we just were thinking, like, what better way to break them in than to have a blend off? One with a couple of twists and turns and obstacles in the way. Because this is the FitMenCook channel, so it's all about you gotta be fit, right? Fit in your mind and your body. Jesse and Wilson will face off in a blend off. Fighting out of the black and white corner, we've got Jesse weighing in at 112 pounds, full of dad bod in the second. Here we go. Let's go! All right, so Jesse, so any final words to Wilson?
Yeah, Wilson, your mom's a hoe. Yeah, you heard me.
Fighting out of the black corner, weighing in at 196 pounds. We've got Wilson.
Why am I so much more than this?
Wilson, any final words to your opponent?
You going down.
Oh man, I'm shaking. Shaking in my boots.
Let's go.
Let's go.
They have to build one smoothie that has at least 4 main ingredients plus the plant-based almond milk. You're going to grab your blender, pick up your blender, set up your blender, has to be facing this way, and then run back for your first ingredient. We've got papaya, watermelon, grape, Mountain Dew, blueberries, strawberries, spinach.
Mountain Dew?
Did I say Mountain Dew? We got Mountain Dew fruit over here, y'all. What y'all know about that Mountain Dew fruit? That would make a heck of a fruit, though. I know. Cucumber, pineapple, and cantaloupe. The only criteria, the only thing that you have to use, you do have to use at least one veggie. Technically, cucumber I think is a fruit, but I put in spinach and cucumber. Now, you'll notice there are not 2 of everything. So, you have to be really, really fast in how you grab the ingredients. Here is the twist. When you take your ingredient, right here, I'm gonna take your grapes to the blender, boom. Then you have to do 5 push-ups. 1, oh, okay, that's it. There we go. Woo. 5 push-ups, and then you run back here. Now let's say you're like, oh no, Jesse's killing me. Oh no, Wilson's killing me. That's what we can do. If you feel that you're losing, you need some more time, and the body needs some time, you got a banana. The reason why this banana is not peeled is it takes more time to peel it. So you run over here, you peel the banana, put it in here, all of a sudden, your opponent has to do 10 of everything. 10 push-ups for the rest of the time. Alright? So, use that to your advantage. Think about game strategy. So, are we ready? On your bean bags. On your bean bags, guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, begin. Go. Turn off to the front start. Okay. Looks like Wilson was off to a first start, but Jesse already has got the momentum. He's already got it set up. He's getting his blender there. Wilson already back. Got his first thing.
Oh, I see how it is. I see how it is.
That means Jesse is doing at least 10 push-ups. And Jesse had the same strategy.
Only after I saw him.
They both up. Here we go. 10 push-ups. Is that 10 push-ups?
That was 5 for me.
He has banana too, though.
I got the banana too.
Oh, but I was first.
Okay, go ahead.
You know what? I'll play fair. That's
Here we
fine.
go. He has Wilson shows the papaya, banana.
Oh shit.
Don't forget the push-ups, guys. Don't forget the push-ups. That's the spinach. Okay. We're gonna keep y'all honest. Here we go. Wilson now grab the strawberries. Jesse grab the blueberries. Here we go. 10 push-ups. Don't forget. All the way down, Jesse. Let's go. It's good. Oh man, I'm exhausted. Just discarding it really quickly. All right. Wilson already back. Where's Wilson taking now? He's thinking. Oh, he grabbed blueberries too. Jesse's already got 4 ingredients. Uh-oh, the last one, if he chooses to, We'll just be the almond milk. Here we go. Let's see, guys, a bowl of fruit comes back. Neck and neck. Here we go, neck and neck. Oh! Here we go. Come back. You gotta come back after you pour it in. What? Push-ups. Push-ups, bro. Push-ups. Uh-oh. 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 Is Wilson gonna gain on him? Is Wilson gaining? Don't forget your 10 push-ups. Wilson has grabbed more than 4 ingredients, it looks like. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, blend it up. Blend it up. When you're ready to blend. Jesse's already blending. Does he know how to work his blender? Does he know how to work his blender? Here we go. Don't forget to do your push-ups, Jesse. Don't forget to do your 10 push-ups. It's gotta be smooth. It's gotta be smooth. Oh. Don't forget your 10 push-ups, Jesse. Here. You're safe. Here we go. Grab the glass. Jesse's grabbing the glass. Wilson's grabbing his glass. Last thing you gotta do. Let's go. Uh-oh. And. Boom. Okay.
How does it taste?
Let's. Boom. Okay. Glad that wasn't me. How was it, guys? Oh, is it really good?
I'm not tired at all.
Not tired at all. Yeah, we got this. We got this. So, in order to be fair, Jesse already won the race technically. But the other criteria is that it has to taste good. So, I'm going to be doing a blind taste test. Here we go. That one's pretty good. It's a little watery, but hey, it's not bad at all. All right, number 2. This one tough. This one tastes a little bit better over here. This person also chose papaya. I'm not sure who that was, but that papaya is a little bit unforgiving. This is a safe smoothie. It's pretty good. So I would say this one over here tastes better. Let me see. This one is.
Sometimes simple wins.
Jesse.
Keep it simple.
Oh my God! Jesse won. You let Jesse win, Wilson.
You let Jesse win.
Good job, both of y'all. Jesse, you're proud, bro. You're proud. He said, "Let's go." Good job, man. Wilson, you did a good job.
I'm telling you guys, watch him cook. You'll learn something.
Hey.
Even I can make a smoothie. Even I can make a smoothie.
You can race Jesse again because your arms are too short to box with God. They won't reach me. They won't reach me. They won't.